All right, we continue our Thanksgiving morning of recipes today. And in this segment, we're going to be showing you how we make a cheese dip supplied by our morning Chiron, Will York, and our photographer who can't join us because he's behind the camera, working right now, made us some mashed potatoes, and these look tasty. Will and Zach Dodge is again in the Weather Center. Will, how do we make this cheese dip?
Well, it's really simple ingredients. Really, it's not a complicated recipe, what we have. So what I usually do, I get a one package of 2 pounds of sausage, which you can basically pick up at a local grocery store. Also have a box of Velveeta cheese, but there's also other options besides the Velveeta name brand. There's also Great Value brand, and this is the box cheese you can easily buy. One you'll have to cut up for your own. And then you'll have a can of Rotel mild tomatoes with the green chilies. And that's what adds the spice to the cheese dip.
Very good, very good. Okay, so Zach is going to explain to us how we make the mashed potatoes.
So for the mashed potatoes, Jesse Conley says that he uses 5 pounds of potatoes, half of those being Yukon Golds and the other half being russet potatoes, and then 2 large cloves of garlic that are minced, some sea salt, 6 tablespoons of butter, so quite a bit of butter, a cup of whole milk. This is the secret ingredient though, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and then you can top that with some fresh chives or green onions or black pepper.
This was actually really tasty. And you can find these recipes along with the 2 recipes we made earlier on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. Okay, coming up in a little bit later in the show, we're gonna be making 2 dessert recipes. We're showing you how to make them. And one of them is Zach's. You want to tell us what you're making?
Magic cookie bars or sparkle bars or moo cookies or whatever Liam called them earlier. They have several names, but they're super simple.
So some kind of cookie bars, and the other one is a cheesecake.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.